Alright, we'll help you on how to create an insane edits in Capcut PC free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Now, in order to do so, open up Capcut PC, go to the top left hand screen and click on templates. Underneath here, click the drop down arrow and click the For You page, and then type in Trent space edit. And basically you want to locate a template that looks very similar to the one I'm about to show you, as this one right here. Find and locate one that looks very similar to this one, and click the plus icon to add on the timeline. Now once on the timeline, you can see there's clips that need to be replaced, or we're going to replace the photos. As you can see, they have each and separate ones that you have to click and replace. And now once you have successfully replaced all the images, this is currently what we have for the insane edit. Now if you do not like the song choice, basically what you can do is click so it hides this, right click the video clip and click extract audio. So now you've separated the audio from the video clip. You can go to the import and basically locate like a TikTok edit by just dragging it onto here to replace the audio. In this case, I'm going to drag one of the audio clips by going like here, and then we're going to replace it from the current audio that we have. Same thing, right click and then click extract audio. And then now basically this is what we have. Completely for free in Capcut PC.